Too much GH nie. Ghana for ahwefo etiefo. Onipa bi a won subscribe e wo too much GH no. Subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa oman Ghana so na ye de bremu. One God nie. The only one God in GH. Eho na de bia mehwe. Abrochefo ene Ghana for mo mo wiasa fa na me recommend emamo. Too much GH.
Go ever to my GH. Me di edena na ama obuso. Me di me just say yes say hu ni say asema ba. Na di say ye beka ni ye tremu ni ye say ye di hu komo na won so a wo hwe so betimi ehu say na asem no eni STTN. Na be say na watch ya echemu no ensem pi ena betoja efa gospel musician Unbreakable Joyce Blessing na warrior ehun. Ena allegations no de edoso pa na e kire say the see ade de na warrior no say na ni din ye Unbreakable no na warrior de e breaki ebubu emu te say mu achema ye apeti ama te say woka bomu kra enye yebiem na allegations wenya ema no wo so ebra video bi ebeto eja a video ni mu no na Joyce Blessing as wonu obi edi appropriate te say kasakasa aba wo mu ntema te say wo mu exchange words na numu an explanation di video ne chi ne say Joyce Blessing ekọ ne sister in law fie say nkokoje ne mamyensa ye keep you mo ha obi ama ne kwan so wo hu om nte no na they say the sister in law not stopping it from seeing the man and the man no akasakasa dani video yenya yeni boss biemu na ebiemu so no after that no kofobi all of a sudden from nowhere ever out ebi already some the close friend of Joyce Blessing ebi so already some a close friend of Dave Joy na wo mu kire say Dave Joy no Joyce Blessing kunu and na wakofa ni rechi esane emma wodo awon kolam yensa ewa warenechi a wo mu mienu mo tibom no wo ma wanka sama wo mo mam yensa wa we 10 years no o ma wo mo mam yensa no no sa fechire akowo mam yensa ewa bontem ebi mu so be kan say Joyce Blessing ni mum e no no so afa ne kunu echi te say se we hu sike ni so no hu different kinds of men wo mo abasa te say akese wo mo busi wo mo mani ye fe wo mo sere white bia eda so wano wo hu bi e na ama ne te say ne tankwa ai akọ top crap a wo pe bi e de atwa ne hot so nti na o ma wo re no egu yehun say ebiem sun wo be afofo bi so aba out aba leje say Joyce Blessing eduma ye ni a ono ankasa afa no abeta ne fie so won moa no e wo ne nyunto ye businesses advertisement any de keka ho ne bi won moa no na ontimi emma ne djuma ne NCP che ne publicist no e na e kan sem te say nyama e wo Joyce Blessing echi ama na wawe no age nsem no na ne nie echi no entin koda no another woman awogan ha wo bi ani mudin te say age asama ma ye ka controversies nsem a hunya beef ni te say nsem allegation wono na the source the biggest source Ghana ha queen of comedy a first singer asem na American na se si ade de wono so edna no ato Joyce Blessing na wawie a egu ensem na misre meka na revelation to never to dwa no de it was for anodin a first singer allegation Joyce Blessing na wawie go egu no se na yatete se cheating bi na aba ekunu no oyire afa no no kra todo je se no kra kasa se oyire eni ekunu nua no wo mu nyomo ba mu echiti na watch o si di kru Dave Joy no Ohima Jackie ono so ye gospel musician ebra bi a etwem wode betu dwa se wonyem na nyinte no wonyem no wonyem edema another gospel musician din de brother Sami that is be ensem deja Ghana wo bia ka se obi akasa brother Sami nim se dabi gospel musician de na ni kwan se obeye sa se on worry oba na wafa no afa nyinse no na emfata na nyinse ne chekwa yete se nyinse yugo kra ebemu ema na Ohima Jackie allege se we di brother Sami enhu ya se what twa ne ntro etimi nya no I promise na wara wentimi anware na amana yi ne nyinse egu na saa nyinse nkro ya na ye efosha se gade betu ja se na ebeto ja se na ye brother Sami de no ne kobri bia enim baku se na ebra bi ebra Joyce Blessing ene Ohima Jackie efa yokofa emu ode no ni kru na etu ne fo se woma Ohima Jackie metna won chen kakra na ebra obetna won chen no na Ohima Jackie no se what Joyce Blessing fie nti wo bo run kitchen no odidi kakra wo ho no asa bo run bedroom no odidi kakra wo ho te se wo didi wo bebia e wo fie ho no na didie na man yefu hye ya wo de ko hye brother Sami kon te san se wo no so no ofa na adanfo na de ko hye no kon no nti se yete se Ohima Jackie anyem ebrebi etwem and no de two brother Sami so as anyi nse na nye brother Sami de na ye Dave Joy's blessing kunu no wono na nyim ohima Jackie na ema no chese odada no se da bi won fan hye brother Sami se na be ya nenim betete to obi antimi emfa so bo embo no na chese embe ya sem kese e wo kana enu nti eno hima Jackie so etie no asopem e de koto brother Sami so ene nsem na yete e wo Ghana na ebusafo asem emetie me hu adwuru me enu nti be se wangasa so wontie efi efasha sniga nenum yenkoti mbra
Dave Joy yansan fa eno nso free ho adia na wo ne ohima Jackie ntem ai ohima Jackie adia na wo ntem ayadan na ohima Jackie adini nsan akosa brother Sami because yes say nsan no na ya over it is alleged so ohima Jackie woman de betna wo yire ntan mummy enu mo ya plan so kwan abato so oba betna wo yire free
yenkoti mbra sena mechanical no saa so na efosha sega edigi egu on na wode asemwe eto owie no saka sem Joy's blessing na mu no so no se ne kunu nyama we ewo na chi wa babre mu na wo hu se tese ne kunu no esi ade de one ne mfa life biem after 10 years of marriage no hu ne hu ne so be ma papa bia biem no nti wono te fa no hadwe se esi ade ode no hu wo no ani sika te hu hia se obeye kokwasa wo ne kunu ase de ope ase wo parenti esi ade ne nye bie ento no so fa line na wo fa line no gym instructor bia wo kono wo for training na gym instructor ikrampo ko join nam one ne xylophone media ko no ene ma te say ase pressure bi beto top pressure man no say maybe girls no wo munya no zo munya me neat obi aye slick into no so bepe kwan bia no so be ko training akwa gym na te with me nya sa neat look ni bi na no de ko ra gym a wo ko share gym instructor na acha me na te say just better hu ni say gym instructor no wo sombo esin ni kunu enu nti ono gym instructor so e fa line a te say ade ni kunu so enya hint of it enama o mawe ni enya jege te say egu kra o kaboma enya yem na asemwenya e fa stratega allergy a o de pete start to so na me kan se say no e na Ghana for e ka say na se asem ni mpo se ne city a who gave a Efua Shastega the right to speak about Joy's Blessing's marriage? Yet at Ghana higher and Rokofa a year a GMB, the former friend, and marriage Edibet so say what they to a power so born anyhow, Bobo with Dia Cassia, and a tragmatic Nayane bar a good year, a papa, a Bob Brian Wanting, pastor, our watering baby action, a sorry by the coronavirus, couple man or Jane Moon, or Kobo Mudin, a woman, and a woman service a GMB, a wompem, and Nuntiaman, a warrior, a one because a new aiding. Now, this answer when you're able to die, alleged issues when you're able to Janpono. Pragmatic eba out, ebe can say as no Caribbean immunity was serving a first thingger, a year law away, or the lawyer for SV, a year first thingger notice say, a bear 127 ensign, no a game to all apologies to or no pragmatic. No, any who say first thingger, yeah, more be waka sem, and you could drop body. I will say Ghana higher cat pragmatica, and Nipa Bacope, and did it pragmatic art, say, Nimno, our born no matters will be our boss, no be at the Nico soon, or no, Eddie, no. Some notice here lawyers for edu community oba bonti se be ka biem se pragmatic de Ghana had a bit more doors on pamugu ahoro ugo Facebook ajo one bot trick over 1,000 names beba sa ensem ono abetna studio back in kind science we ka se dugu woni ano ono abiem eno sabe eba out ebe ka se enimu se na ensem ni sitem enu ti die pa na man ni moral standard and I said die pa na push no se wono so betimi na no ato Joy's Blessing na wa ensem and I said na wa ne kone ne ba ni say ensem a pagan mu wom de nkwa na man kwan po se oba be making such allegations against our realm na woni mu hwa na hu nya se beba out kra oni mu bibi krampa hu nya se wono ene be finu num aba na once our real institution a nipa mienu na tenase agitum se wo metu sanda mo no na wo mu asese tu bebi a wo mu bufu wana so mo ho funu mo ho mutimi gitum se te ade be se yengu ya wawe no eye wo mu ntemasem de na hu nya se fasa tega ene beba out abecheche mebu so ka se se sana assembly city and I said there a first person so allergen say truth be woman and na Joy's Blessing just say send you hunu ewo TV so ewo nim to administration na nya sana city because want me Emma shaking crying and find a miasem and one room to say and to your GGM Emma yen now fade ye beji we dinner to say ye follow ye having inspiration from you now fade ye baba two secret life now I ain't temping unity yes and I secret life be and no live it that they don't act the way they preach. Na ebusa for ensem ni dem ka se me komwa ensem pi ene be pie efi aba ne yan where some of the comments are Ghana for e dia betudwa efa allegations are e first stega e dia betudwa efa just blessing na wawe no ehun we efi odishiba cytoplasm or see efia keep your mouth mute and think about yours. Abi you were married then when your husband caught you being bumped on his bed. Yours was even worse. And also, a first thing, master, who cry at you in a worse position, crossing Joy's blessing. And until whom he possess, who baba bonting, abekata in some way. Then when you have cross, do no ever to be because to the no yes, you need to, you won't be pain. Where so if Michael into your sin. See how the gospel of my Lord Jesus Christ is being profaned, and an unbeliever who back in the day would think twice before opening her mouth to talk about Christians is now assuming the role of a persecutor and expositor. Let God arise soon. Ono soon he said, eye ya pa se e Christo som pa na ye china se wo fom se Christo som ye de frafra no te se ebra eye Yesu wono akasa ebe na TV ase te se ma kwan e ma ye kra ye se ya de atum kra po se Yesu e betimi enya ne tiri ni ye no na wono pon kwan po no ensem se kra etimi anto no na eba ne se energy omomu nyindi omenya konya se enya Yesu ho esem aka no metimi di Christo som ho fel enche nyakopa ngasa be sorry e wona paka mu no sorry bia ensem be se obiase we mu no ebe ye hu ebe ye wanwan we so dia mefa efi Andy Akela was saying, Efuapa, you have shocked me. Why should you be the one speaking about this? Are you in any position to accuse Joyce Blessing or her husband of anything? What about you when Abakwa saw you in bed with another man? Or also Achena doing what we say if back to the past. A baby I will not so HT or on a husband so one say or good reason anything our chitty or one husband so Ban is saying and over pointing fingers at Joyce Blessing and you Dave Joy. You go here other comments are Ghanaians so Edeba Efa a year a first nigger allegations no home. Wait so there was also no smoke without fire. If really it is true, Joy should know that Mr. Jim instructor will eventually abandon her for another lady because beautiful women will always come to the gym or say ondo wojidi pa say eye hu se bi enu a eja enu ase eye dan ara asem ye ye ke bia me se yesi bia no kware kakra bi ewo mu enu nti se na e first say gade beto dwane kwa de wojidi se no kware bi ewo mu na se ye no kra so a Joyce Blessing hu ni se eye gym de eye dan a awon fefo de bia de wo metrupi wo meko ho akoye exercise e ti ma ni hu no ho se wono ankasa ne set me ato eye gym instructor ne so nti da fim or better ne nchen eye de obafofo bi so eba na ho fe be chen wono Joyce Blessing de wono so ebe te se wo beto na kono so one hard na sata no ebe ne bad day gym instructor no so ebe jai no ye hwe de afoforo so edeba we efi Vera was saying you are always happy poking your nose into people's affairs. Mind your own business and allow them to also mind theirs. Prophet 2 so they was saying you sir, if you chop yourself, so what at all have you seen? Sister Joyce, don't mind anybody. Or no so even say Joyce Blessing me money enya so emo bibia we dey asem na ba and again afu bia e ka de openti me money emfa na nukra entumu kra enka hwe fa ho. We so efi Chevy Jermaine, please keep exposing fake Christians. You are better than them. Or no so when say a first nigga were better than anybody were in the best position so be expose and for any woman sama abeto jam. Kwabna bonsi eto dia what they about saying. This gym guy, that is what they have been doing all the time. Even how they touch the ladies alone is a threat. If lady go to the gym, my brother, she is a suspect. If your lady goes to the gym, she is a suspect. The probability the gym instructor sleeps with her is very high. So men, beware of ladies who go to the gym. One do two remember for say asem we dey wo hu bi pen wate bi pen ene nti so your bema na wo mpna wo yere na wo yere tai ka se me koje ma no hu ni na say hu ni say asem e ba beto because James status there ukokra no koto so wo de nsa aka wo te say wo yere no anasa wo girlfriend po no ne ye size kra wo yem e na be show enu nti James status there wo mo nye trustworthy kra e wo ma e ho ma me fa de twa to kra ento so we efitanes efra novidro. If it seems since your marriage couldn't work for you, you are always jealous about other people's marriage. You just want others marriage to end just like yours ended. This is not true. This guy cannot be a boyfriend of Joyce Blessing. One also action adri. It was for aha elamede adrentre no ebesi. Na so me here with your so pan. They would dream for a year in semia. A first or singer ever to job. Any pictures so body every easy account. They would found be a photo jar. I will too much GH your comment section. A beam to a man where if over share video away. Edamad for any bush for BBA or Bembia. Not subscribe so won't subscribe a BMBia. Baby, I update about story way so no. You bet me upload the videos so anti what subscribe obenya a notification our phone so. ABM so bet me follow to my GH our Instagram page at @GH_. Midi Edina na ama owusa makram.